Got it. So first thing is, so again, these are some stocks which are looking good for tomorrow morning. So during the night itself, for example, these are all the health sector stocks. So mRNA, Pfizer, Novax, Johnson and Johnson, LLY, Guild, BNTX, is VRTX, like that. I entered all the healthcare stocks. Out of them, if you see something like, for example, UNH, let us go to UNH. So UNH, it's overall a bullish stock, went to nearly $570. And then at the end of the day, because there was some pullback, it came to the bottom. So tomorrow morning, there is a high possibility for UNH to touch this, right? Again, if you want to check, always you can use your price pulse, or you can see that there is a 635 order block, 116,000 order block. So, for example, tomorrow morning in the pre-market, you see price somewhere here itself, right? Around 8:15, 8:20 central. Before market opens, you see it here. Then when market opens, if you buy the calls, within 5-10 minutes, it will go all the way to the top. So very quickly, you will make 300, 400 within 5-10 minutes, because it is, the scanner is showing it will go up. You have a good buy order blocks here. So whenever market opens, there will be a lot of limit orders here. When it touches, then immediately it starts going up. In the same way, HUM, right? Yesterday we saw some examples like AMT, and so today morning they went all up. So HUM is also same thing, right? It came to the bottom. It is overall a bullish stock, unless there is some bad news overnight, which is very rare, right? Unless they have some events or something. But so you see nearly 5,000 by order block. You see a 10,000 by order block. So if it comes touch this, then immediately it will start bouncing. So, right, one day before itself, like, okay, these are from healthcare. There are a lot of stocks which are green. Generally, when tech is weak, your healthcare stocks will go up. So you can see that all these which are in the green, they are good for long tomorrow morning. Let's see. Check. So out of tech, you have PA and W, right? Palo Alto, because right, the other company is having major issues. So this is the competitor for the cyber security. So now they have, right, this is at the, it went all the way to 330. At the end of the day, it dropped. So tomorrow it is at the bottom now, right? So tomorrow morning it is highly possible to go up. So even before the market open, you can identify which tickers can move, right? If you are a early riser, tomorrow morning, if you get up at the 3 or 4 a.m., if you see stock moving up, then immediately you buy. You will make $5 to $10 on this stock, right? Even if you buy 100 stocks, that is $1,000 gain, right? So you look at, right, for example, yeah, you don't have a major buy order block, but if it comes to this point, there is nearly 13,000 point, 13.6. So if it comes to around 316, that is the best price to go long. Then not only 5 minutes, you can also watch in 30 minutes. If they are at the bottom in 30 minutes, that is much better, right? That means they are good for full complete day, right? Let us look at some 30 minutes if there are any stocks which are at the bottom. So you can see Mara, right? It is bullish in 30 minutes. So let us go to Mara. So from 22.5, it came all the way down to $20, and it is at a discount area now. So there is a high possibility for tomorrow for Mara to go all the way to 22 plus. So even you can put a limit order, limit buy order in your brokerage platform. You can put a stop loss little bit down. You can put your target somewhere here. So suddenly in the morning when market opens, there can be a big buy order block and it can go all the way to the top also. There is a high possibility for Mara to move well, right? You can also see there is, if you see, right, Bitcoin is nearly 3% up. Ethereum is 2.4% up. That means tomorrow Mara, Hive, ARBK, all these things will move huge, right? Let us look at coin. So coin is also nearly at the bottom, right? CONL. Okay, it is because it is right in the bearish. That's why it is not showing in the green. But CONL, you can see coin, you can see that they are at the bottom. Tomorrow we may see coin going back to 240, 245. So if you can enter calls in the first 5 10 minutes, there is a huge possibility. Right? You don't enter for tomorrow's expiry, but if you enter for next Friday's expiry, there is a huge potential to make nice profits with coin or CONL, MARA, HIVE, ARBK, right? Healthcare and crypto stocks. They are the best ones for tomorrow. We can make nice profits. Tomorrow morning also, if we see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, there is a high possibility for them to go, right? If you're in the crypto channel, I already shared, Trump is going to talk in one of the crypto conference. We may see even 70,000, 72,000 for Bitcoin tomorrow. He's going to make some announcements about the cryptos. So yeah, there is a huge, whenever there are some events, before the event, there will be a lot of optimism. So that's why generally before the event, even before earnings or any major conference, these stocks or crypto will move huge. After the event, if there is no major very good news, then immediately after the event, they will go down. But before the event, they will start moving up. So because most probably Trump will be the president, he is going to announce about crypto, some laws and other things. So yeah, there is a huge possible potential for crypto to move, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other cryptos to move well. So if they move, then all your cryptocurrencies, all your crypto stocks, they will also move well. So yeah, right. Tomorrow ARBK, HIVE, Mara, Coin, CONL. These are the best ones, along with the healthcare. Healthcare stocks are also good tomorrow. And then, so like that, you can be well prepared, right? Even before the event happen, all right? You are not immediately reacting, you are proactive. So if you are well prepared, if you see tomorrow morning Bitcoin and a coin or something is starts to move up immediately, you can buy the calls, you can sell the puts, you can make money in different ways. So, right, first I wanted to touch on that. Now let us go back to our futures. Uh, I have to make some changes as of now. Uh, yeah, I know the name. It is pulling everything, including the exchange name. So we can see crude oil in the orange. Everything else is in the blue. Right? Let us go and look at crude oil. So based on the scanner, it moved all the way. Okay. We are in 30 minutes. So for our day trading, we need only 5 minutes. Okay, in 5 minutes we have ES, YM. Only ES and YM are looking good as of now. Generally, ES will be little slow, but we can see that, right? It moved all the way to the top again at the end of the day, last half an hour. So if we enable, right, let me enable top trend, right? Once we enable the top trend, you can put buy and sell, support and resistance, and then you can disable everything else. Just have buy and sell, right? Again, you don't want to get confused, right? If you are already using GGG, RRR, you got used to it, that is fine. But if somebody is new or you want a simple layout without much confusion, just keep buy and sell, keep the boxes. And then let me save as default, say okay, disable. And so if you see, right, if you want to consistently make profits, whenever, right, these are like our major resistance. This is another resistance. This is support. This is support. So if you see a sell button here, right, you got a sell signal. Your cloud was orange and red, so it went all the way down. Or it came close to a support and you got a buy signal. So generally, let me also enable. Right. Let me first disable the top trend. Right. So just you remember. So this is your premium area. This is our discount area. So if you get a buy signal anywhere before this, that is our best opportunity. So if top trend is giving a buy signal somewhere here, that is the best opportunity. Right. Any sell signal, if you want, you can close the position, but don't open a short position. Right. Because this is our right. That means you are getting something for a cheap price. Right. So this zone, if you see a buy signal, whether you want, you can buy option calls, you can buy stocks, you can go long with futures. Generally, this is the best time to go long, right? For example, now also we got a buy signal. So if I want to take a trade, I can enter. Your risk is very less when you get a buy signal somewhere close to this area, right? Again, right? Let me again disable. So this is your sell area, right? That is where you want to take profits. You right? You want to buy low, right? This is the lowest point. This is the highest point. So you want to buy close to the lowest point. You want to sell close to the highest point. So if you get a sell signal close to the highest point, that is the best opportunity, right? From here to here, nearly $2,000-3,000, right? We can complete one evaluation within one trade itself, right? From 55.30, it came to nearly 54.30, right? $5,000 with just one contract, right? I know it is difficult with emotions and other things, right? Afterwards, we feel like, oh, we missed a good opportunity. But if you bought spy puts or something, it would have given to 300%, 500%. Same thing, right? Buy, you got at the bottom, it went all the way to the top. You got a sell at the top, it came all the way to the bottom. And because we already took multiple trades, again, I did not enter the right. Didn't expect this much drop also. I thought it may come till 50% and then there might be a bounce, but it kept on dropping. But one opportunity like this. So always when you have this is our bottom line, this is our top line. If you get a buy signal from top trend around this area, that is best for long position. So your risk is limited, right? What is your risk? Maximum it can come down little bit points. Even if it comes down little bit, there is a high possibility it will bounce back because you are buying close to the lowest point, right? Even if this lowest point may come another 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, your risk is limited. If you are shorting something close to the highest point, right? If you short it here, 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 right? As long as you are in this range, you try to, if you see a sell signal, try to short it. Don't, right? Avoid any buys or sells in between. Avoid any, right? Sells around this area is very, very dangerous, right? Never do a sell in this area. Never do a buy in this area. We want to use this area for buy, this area for sell. If you get a sell signal here, that is the best opportunity. If you get a buy signal here, that is the best opportunity. So that's where, right, we have top trend is also giving buy and sell signals. So if you have top trend support, you see a buy signal, you also have the scanner lowest point, right, the range low. If your top trend support and also scanner bottom is at the same time, that is the best opportunity. That means both the algos are telling the same thing, that okay, this is the lowest point, this is the strong support, price will start going up. In the same way, if your scanners resistance and also your top trend resistance both are at the same point, that is very very strong confidence, right? If you, again, you don't need price pulse, you can just trade using the scanner and using the top trend. If you are still not convinced, you want one more additional confirmation, then you can always look at price pulse. Right, you can see price pulse 21,000 sell order, right? In futures, 21,000 is a huge number. 32,000 sell order block. That is a huge number. If you see here, there is a 10,000 order block. There is a 8,000 order block. There is a 6,000 order block. Right, for years, right, for futures, if anything in thousands, that is a huge number. Right, so our price pulse is telling that price will go up. Our scanner is telling that price will go up. Our top trend is telling that price will go up. So it is generally very good opportunity, right? Especially if you see a buy signal close to this, right? Close to this, that is the best opportunity. Don't miss those up, especially in the morning time. Right now, it will be little choppy, right? Because volume will be less. When volume is less, if suddenly somebody buys 10 contracts, it will suddenly go up. Or if somebody sells some 20 contracts, it will suddenly drop, right? Even with very less volume also, it can just keep going up and down. But in the morning time, when you have more number of players, your order blocks, everything will play perfectly. But minimum, right? You see the concept or the advantage. If you follow the confluence, you cannot go wrong, right? Never take a sell at the bottom. Never take a buy around this area. Never take a sell around this area. This area is mainly for the buys. This area is mainly for the sells. If you get a sell signal anywhere in between here, that is the best opportunity. If you get a buy anywhere between this, right, from this point to this point, that is the best opportunity, right? Even though there might be some small pullbacks, but there is a high possibility for it to go minimum till the midpoint. So GC is showing in the orange color. Let us go and check GC. So now based on the scanner, because the price came all the way down to 54 and then it went to the area, and overall GC is in the bearish trend. You can see all red signals here. So overall trend is bearish and price went to the top. Now it is telling that, yeah, keep watching, and at any point of time GC might start falling. It may fall from anywhere from this point. So now you can, so as of now, top trend gave a buy signal and it went all the way up. Now we have to wait for a sell signal. If you get sell signal anywhere here, that is a good opportunity, right? If you get a buy signal anywhere here, that is a good opportunity. So we got a buy, it went all the way, right? This is $700, right? Even if you got at the top also, it is nearly $200-300 after the buy. So now in next one or two candles, it may go touch this resistance, right? Let us go and check what is there in the price pulse. You can see that there are 766 contracts. So there is a possibility it may go touch this and then drop. So let us wait for the reversal. Let us wait for a red candle or right. Sometimes they will right the market makers will do stop loss hunting, right? Because if we put a sell order block and we do keep a stop loss, they will just hit the stop loss and then drop suddenly reverse. So that's why it is better to wait for price to reverse and then we can take a shot. If we take a shot here, again we may come minimum till this point or it may come all the way down. You can say copper, right? Generally, if gold drops, then copper, silver, they all will follow. So copper is also in the orange color. So, right, one is GC, second is copper. Let us see where copper is. You can see that copper is also, right? There are not many sell orders, but still 86 is a good number for copper. So very soon we may, it may hit the resistance and then we may see a reversal. So we have two opportunities now. One is we already have ES long, right? ES will move slow during this time because most of the US traders will only trade from 6 o'clock central. Some of the Europeans trade ES and NQ, but most of the Asia market like either Japan, China, India, they mainly trade metals. So that's why generally we focus on gold, copper, platinum, silver during this, right? This is the Asia Open. So during this time, or NKD, these are the major 4 5 tickers we see during this time because ES is looking good, lot of confidence. So we entered ES, but generally yeah, we watch for gold and others. So silver also you can see that generally all of them follow the same direction. So initially we saw gold in orange, then we saw copper in orange, then silver also came to the orange. So let us first check. Gold is right. Gold is the most liquid. Second is silver. Third is copper. So it went touched the resistance. If we see a red candle or we see a sell, we can take a short. So this is a strong resistance, top trend resistance. So if price goes still there, that is much better opportunity. Basically waiting for a sell signal. If we get a sell signal, then we can confidently enter. Now platinum is also in the orange color. That means platinum also can reverse very soon. So we have gold, silver, platinum, copper. All the metals should start reversing in next one or two candles. Right? This is our strong resistance. So this is where we have scanner resistance. We have top trend resistance. Yes, is moving good. Yes, we already made nearly $100. So if ES moves, generally NQ also will be in the same direction. NQ also we got a buy here, but it's okay. Let us focus on gold and other ones. So now gold should give a sell signal and should start reversing. Gold, platinum, copper, silver, everything should start drop in next 5-10 minutes. Yeah, if it is not showing orange for you, just delete and add it back. You might not be using the latest version.
Sure, Varun, there is a huge order block for GC around 2372.
Yeah, in case if it goes there, yeah. But before even there, we may see a sell signal.
Okay.
So scanner is already looking whether it is a bullish or bearish. If it
Mm.
is a bearish and if it is at the top, it shows us in the orange color.
Okay.
If it is bullish and if it is at the bottom, it will show us in the green color. So yeah, it is telling that there is a high possibility for gold to drop. So in case if it goes there, then we have another sell order block here. That's why we'll wait for the sell signal without assuming,
Okay.
even though
Okay.
it
Mm.
might get little bit late, but still When the algo says that okay, now it is good to short, then we'll short it. So scanner is first telling us okay, be ready on this ticker. Once the scanner tells that, then we'll open and then we'll be waiting for the sell signal. Silver is also at a strong resistance now. And then gold is also at strong resistance. Yes, is making nice profits. $150 done. 162.5. Right? It is just with one account. If you are connected with multiple accounts, you multiply that. You can have 100 accounts, you can have 200 accounts because there are 20, 30 companies like Apex, and each one will provide you 20, 30. There are some companies which will give you unlimited accounts. So we looked at the confluence, we looked at top trend, we looked at the price pulse. Scanner gave us everything, gave us the confidence for us to go long, even though it is slow in the evenings, but still because there was such a big drop before the market close, right? It is a cheap price, right? Whenever you find some nice property in a cheap price, you all want to buy it. In the same way, because there was such a big drop, nearly 100 points drop. So now everybody is trying to buy it. We'll take profits on this because 150 and nearly $165 is a good one. We can make some more on platinum, gold, and other things. Because when you have too many positions open, sometimes it gets difficult to manage them. So you can take profits on gold, right? Especially in the evening time, right? If it is morning time, minimum it will go all the way till the midpoint. During evening time, it can be little choppy. There won't be too much of volume, so it may go up, come down, right? Especially with the prop firms, if you have profits and if you don't book it on time, then it is impacting your unrealized file stop, right? Because, for example, it moves to 100, 250, and we are looking at gold or something. Suddenly, if it drops, that means you had $200 in your position, but you did not book profits. That will count towards your trail stop loss. So that's why when you see, right, this prop firm trading is all like a test match, right? You want to make singles, twos, right? You don't want to look for all fours and sixers, right? This is not a T20 where you want to get $500,000 in one. This is like, okay, get 150, look for one more setup, get another 100, 150, and you scale up. If you have more and more accounts, that 150 multiplied by 20, 150 multiplied by 10, that's it. Otherwise, we may miss the profits. So unless, right, in the morning times, it is okay to hold for 300, 350 like that. But in the evening times, right, yesterday or day before also, we had $150, 200. We did not book it, waiting for more, and it dropped. It dropped so much, and next day again it moved into profits. But you have to wait for hours together. So that's why yeah, when you have some good 100, $150, $200 profit, it is better to take them. in during the low volume hours. Right? For example, if you go to 1 minute or 2 minutes, right? In the right in the 2 minutes, it went all the way to the top. Right? In the 5 minutes, it might be somewhere here, but in the 2 minutes, it went to the top. So there will be a pullback now. Right? You got a sell signal in 2 minutes. So right, that's why it is important to book the profits. Right? Maybe if it comes here and you get another buy signal, you can again go long. Right? In the morning time, it is okay to hold for more time. If your 5 minutes is still in the buy, you can hold it. But in the evening time, when you see a buy, you enter the buy, go to 2 minutes. Whenever you see a sell in 2 minutes, you just take the profits. Again, it will come down. Again, it may give a buy and go to 5 minutes and see if 5 minutes is still buy, then okay to take buy in the 2 minutes. Right? If your higher time frame is in the buy, right, you are using your higher time frame for planning or for the entry. For the exit, use the lower time frame, take the profit, and if it gives another buy and if your 5 minutes is still in the buy, again you enter, again you make another $100 or so. Right? For example, in the morning time, what you can do, you look in the 30 minutes. Let us say if 30 minutes is in the buy, then you focus on buy in the 5 minutes. If 30 minutes is in the sell, you focus on sell in the 5 minutes. Whenever you see a sell signal, take a sell. So your higher time frame is always for your planning, right? That is called as top-down approach. You are looking in a top higher time frames. You will look, okay, this 30 minutes is in the sell, right? That's where, right, earlier I went to the coin and other things. I saw where the 30 minutes is. 30 minutes is close to the bottom. Then your 5 minutes will start going up, right? 30 minutes will start moving up. Then your 5 minutes, you always want to be in the buy positions. Right? Think like your parent and grandparent, right? These higher time frames are like your parent, grandparent. So you follow them. If 30 minutes is in the buy, in the small time frames, you be in the buy. If 30 minutes is in the sell, in the smaller time frames, you be. Or your 5 minutes is like a parent in the evening hours when volume is less. So if your 5 minutes is in the buy, whenever you are in the smaller time frames, you always in the buy. If you see a sell signal, close it. And again, if it gives a buy signal, again you open another buy. Okay, our gold, silver still going up. So we are waiting for the sell signal on silver. Let us also look at NKD. NKD is right. It is very far from support and resistance, right? If it is far from these support and resistance, then you better ignore that. If it is close to support or close to resistance, then better you keep watching that chart. There can be a big drop or there can be a big bounce, right? We always want to trade close to this or close to this. So what is happening with crude oil? It is still going up, right? We have scanners resistance, but there is no resistance from top trend close by. Our next resistance is somewhere around 78.75. So it is better wait until that time. Or until you see a sell signal. Platinum is also copper. If we get a sell signal on copper, that will give nice profits. Yeah, we just missed it, right? When I told you the secret, right? Before 8 a.m. Central or 8 p.m. Central, if it is close to the bottom, it will go all the way up. Around 8 p.m. Central, if your price is at the top, it will come all the way down. 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. That is where your metals will either move highly up. So today around 8 o'clock, it was at the bottom at the support. When market, right, that 8 a.m., there is a badge, right? The algos push the price all the way to the high. So generally, yeah, around 7:55, watch if the price is somewhere close to the bottom, close to the support, then you can make nice profits. Even at 8:30 a.m., you look for ES and Q. If they are close to the bottom, immediately when market opens, it will go all the way up. If the price is, but if it is at the midpoint, don't take anything. If they are at the bottom, they will go up. If they are at the top, they will come down. Yes, he is dropping. Yeah, overall, in the Europe hours, we may see it moving all the way up. If in the Europe hours, if it moves all the way up, again in the US market, they will dump it back. So tomorrow there is I think Powell is talking again tomorrow morning. Right? Even if we make $100 every day, that is nearly 2,000, $2,500 every month, right? That can pay off your EMI or something. Just think only about one trade, one contract. And it is easy to make $100 every day if you follow the strategy. If you just to stop trading, once you make 100, 150, you stop for that session. So now we may see a sell signal. Yeah, Bitcoin is looking good. Bitcoin may go all the way to 68, 69,000 by the time I Job market will be more and more tough. Already, like last 4 to 5 months, there are many people who lost contracts, who lost jobs because of AI. Things will be more and more tough for IT sector. So better have a backup plan before things get worse. Because trading is a global thing, right? Whether you are in India, whether you are in a holiday, you can do it from anywhere, and it will never stop. Markets, whether markets drop or whether markets do go up, as long as they are not very choppy, we can make money. So always better to have a backup before things, right? You don't want to be without a backup plan. If we get a sell signal somewhere close to this area, that is the best time to get a sell. If we get a buy signal close to this area, that is the best to buy. So if we would have entered this buy, it would have made $400. But yeah, we missed out this buy, and Q is moving good. Again, we got a buy in yes. Or if I want to take low risk, I can always, but it is very Bitcoin is also at the top. If we get Bitcoin somewhere here, that is the best opportunity. Bitcoin can go to 69, 70,000 by morning. Sometimes we get tempted that it may go till here, but we never know. Suddenly there can be a drop. So better avoid any buys, right? Anything above this, buy is restricted. Anything below this, better you don't take the sell. Only if you are somewhere here, buy, somewhere here, sell. Anything in between, just avoid it. Mhm. Gold is less risky, just like yes, gold is less risky compared to silver and copper. Silver and copper are like NQ. They can make more profits. In the same way, they are very volatile. So if you want to have low risk, then you trade ES or gold. If you want to take risk, then NQ, silver, copper, NKD, they are very high volatile tickers. They can make 600, $700 in one trade. In the same way, they'll move very fast. They can also give losses also in that way. So your UB, ZB, ZT, they are very low risk trades. If you have patience, you follow UB, ZB, ZT morning 6 o'clock. You can follow them. Whenever they come to these zones, they will work very well. Right? Today morning also they went all the way up. Again they came all the way down. They make a nice move from bottom to top, top to bottom. If you follow this strategy, they won't there won't be much volatility, sudden up and downs, unless there is some news event or Powell speaking. Otherwise, they'll just go all the way from the bottom to the top. Again, they go to the top. Again, they come all the way down. NQ is the most volatile. Suddenly, you will see that 20, 30 points drop, 20, 30 points going up. Most probably, we should get a sell signal now on gold. It did a double top. It should come and touch the swing cloud, which is around 2364, 2365. So once we get a sell signal, we'll take a sell and then take profits somewhere here. So again, if you want to see like in 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 23, it is in a buy. It went and touched the swing cloud. Right, your swing will always act as a resistance. Then it will come down, and then again it will next time it will break the swing cloud and go all the way to the top. So maybe gold, right, in 30 minutes it came all the way from 2430 to 2350. Now again tomorrow morning we may see gold all the way going up. So this is for swing traders who want to, right, if you take a buy, maybe tomorrow, day after, you can go somewhere here. Two times it touched the top, it was not able to break the resistance. That means buyers lost the control, now sellers took the control. Right? If buyers had the control, they would have broken this. First time buyers went, sellers took the price back. Again, buyers tried to go up, again sellers took it back. So now we got the, so there is a high possibility. So we can enter. Took a sell short on gold. Right, let's also watch because if gold is dropping, then all the other metals also will drop. So let us go and watch copper. You have a sell signal on copper. But also will have a big drop, but let us close gold and then take silver. Overall, yeah, JC is looking Buyers are trying to push it up. Sellers are trying to push it down. So there is some consolidation. So I shorted at 2369.8. Right. Again, gold is overall bullish, right? If it is a bearish at the top, is always a best opportunity. So that's why you see GC in the red color instead of orange color. This is moved here and also take small profits on this one. Because all the metals are overall bullish. Gold can come down, but it might go a little bit up, try to touch the resistance and again come down. So I don't want to have multiple open positions. So I took some $25 profit on this, closed this one. Not silver. Silver also same thing. Came down, trying to bounce back. We do one more double top and then drop. And again, if we have the orange color, that is the best opportunity. But as of now, we have everything. Right? This is bullish ticker. This is bullish at the top. So if it is a bearish at the top, that is the best opportunity. If it is bullish at the top, it might sometimes come down. This cloud can act as a support. Again, go up. Again, come down. This cloud will act as a support. So if this cloud breaks, then it will come all the way to this cloud. If this cloud also breaks, it will come all the way down. Again, they will drop. Only thing is they might do little bit up and down. Right? If it was orange color, then yeah, we can confidently take the trade. Because it is red color, that means overall the trend is bullish, and now they are at the top. So that means there are more number of buyers than sellers. So buyers are trying to push it up, and sellers are trying to push it down. So there is some choppiness. Silver, there is more bearish pressure. So it is trying to break the cloud. If it comes down, then it will come all the way till 28.04.
Silver, are you in the 5 minute time frame for silver?
Yes.
But I don't see that sell or the downward triangle in my indicators.
Yeah, I'll check it later. Yeah. Are you using normal candles or high actually?
I can actually.
Maybe I am using normal candles.
Okay.
So I sold it 28.110. So if I buy it at 28.095, that is nearly $75 profit with one contract. Right? That is the limit. So now $100. If I buy back here, it is $100. So let me put my buy order there. So I took another $100 profit. My limit order got executed. That I sold at 128.110 and bought it 28.090. That is $100 gain on the silver. That is with one account. Let's go back to, yeah, there is a high possibility for silver also to drop. But yeah, all the metals are doing some consolidation up and down. So also doing this. So now ultimate D also gave a sell signal. Top trend gave a sell signal. This is it. Let me put a. Right, I'm trying to sell copper one more time. I took a short on copper. Right, while gold is trying to do a double top, we can make another $100, $200 with silver, copper. So 450 to 425 and 430 is also nearly $50. I took another $50 profit. Basically, because I got ultimate confluence, the uptrend gave a sell signal. Ultimate gave a sell signal. So I took another 50 profit here. Let me go back to silver and see. We are also trying to do a double top. So as of now, I have only gold. Gold long, gold short is open. Gold, silver, everything is in gold also should drop. Okay, dropping big. Because it broke the cloud, it can come all the way to this cloud. It took short on copper one more time. It is looking more bearish compared to silver. Yeah, I kept a limit order, so I made another $150 here. Nearly I made some 200 plus here. Let us look at silver. Silver also dropping. So silver also broke the cloud. It should come all the way here. So you keep a limit order before itself because sometimes suddenly it will drop and bounce back. You cannot manually. So if it gets filled, it will make another $100. I sold at 85. If it gets filled at 28.060, that is another $125. Gold is dropping. If copper, silver, everything is dropping, gold also should drop. So this $50 is if you sell at the market price, right? If you sell at 28.075, you will make $50. But if you sell at 28.0, right, at the limit order, you will make $125. Platinum also dropping. Platinum also, if it comes below this cloud, it will come all the way till here. Just we need one more candle below the cloud. Most probably that should also drop. Again, if they were orange, we would have already made huge profits by this time because they are in the red color. That means they are at the top, but overall the trend is bullish. So it will be only small pullbacks. If it is orange, it will come all the way down quickly. Well, copper came all the way from top to here. Come on, come on. It should drop all the way. Yeah, it need to wait double top and come down. But if you have a small account, you can take stop loss. But if you have a 250K account, it is okay to hold. My stop loss just above this resistance. Mhm. This time it should break the swing cloud. Last time swing cloud supported, so price touched the swing cloud and bounced. But this time, if it comes to the swing cloud, then it should break the swing cloud and go minimum till the midpoint. Mm, it should break swing cloud now. 2 weeks. Because earlier there was a support here. I'm trying to just book small profit. I sold at 885.85. If I buy back at 0.80, it is like $25 profit. It may break the resistance, but just to avoid the risk. Yeah, got filled. No, gold also should move into profit. Okay. Because we are selling at the top, right? So your risk is minimal. Maximum it can go a little bit high, but overall it should drop. That's why I did not take any stop loss because, right, if you are selling somewhere here, then you have a higher risk. But when you are doing a sell here, right, you should never go long in this area. This area is mainly for selling purpose. We sold it, and so again, right, if it was orange color, we'd have not the tension because we don't have natural gas is very slow. So that's why we had to pick the red ones. So again, we made profits with multiple times with copper, with silver also we did. Gold also will make profits, but only thing is, yeah, because buyers and sellers are fighting with each other, so there is some choppiness. So that is the risk when we take the red ones or blue ones. There will be some up and downs. But when you take orange and green, that is where you are buying a bullish at the bottom, selling bearish at the top. There is platinum. Platinum can go down. Platinum can come minimum $100 down. It is sold at 948. I took two positions by mistake, so I'll just close one with small profit and close the other one with more profit. When there is a big spread between buy and ask, right? Nearly $30 difference is there between buy and ask. So if you sell here and buy here, that is already $30, $40 profit. You are trying to sell at the ask price and buying, covering it back at the bid price. That itself will give you $30, $40 with each contract, with each account. Because this broke the cloud, it has to come to minimum this cloud. But again, it may take some time. Again, you are selling in this zone, so your risk is limited. Bitcoin is going up and up. Upper made a nice board. So I took profit on one of it. So it is a $10 profit on the first contract. Take another $25 on the second one. So while gold is coming down, we are taking some small profits with silver, copper, platinum. Gold also should move into profits in some time. Actually, silver is dropping more. If silver breaks this cloud, then it will come all the way down. So it should come all the way here. 2368, we should make profits. It broke the day trading cloud. And then it should come to the swing cloud. If it breaks the swing cloud, it will come all the way to the bottom. But it may touch the swing cloud and then bounce back. Still, we should make profits with gold. Already we made $150 with ES, some 100 plus with silver, 100 plus with copper. Overall, we are positive, but still it can make some profits. Maybe we should have waited for some more time for floating gold. Averaging in platforms is not recommended because any sudden moments, if you average, that will add more risk. If it is a personal account, you can always average, but in prop firms, better you don't average. The platinum got a profit. It went all the way down, 947.4. Other order also got executed. So except the gold, we made profits with all other trades. Gold also should make profit in some time. They should come and try to bounce, or it should. As I mentioned in the beginning, sell in this area is always a good op, right? Buy in this area is not recommended. Sell is always good here. Any buys are recommended in this area. Sometimes it may create some tension, but overall, you are trying to short at a top right close to the resistance. Even though it may go a little bit up, still you have higher chances to make profit. Silver, silver drops this, then it will come all the way down or minimum till the midpoint. Let me close somewhere here, 2369. So if you missed earlier, we discussed about cryptos tomorrow. There are many crypto stocks which are looking good for swing. Tomorrow, Mara, Hive, ARBK, these are the best ones. The second best ones are Coin, CLSK, BITF, NE, CONL. We may see a big move tomorrow on all these ones. But the best one is Mara, second best is Hive, third best is ARBK. This is one more strategy. What you can do is, like, again now because it is in the red zone, it will come down. But suddenly, if something reverses, if you have GC in the short or GC in the long and it is going down, or GC in the short and it is going up, you can always take micros, my MGC, right? One mini is equal to 10 micros. So you see that suddenly it started, you got a buy signal. You take 10 micros. When it goes up, you take profits on this. And once it starts dropping, you take profit on the, or you take a small loss on the other side. That's what you can do in personal accounts or even in the prop firms. And suddenly something, you thought something, but it goes in the other direction. Yeah, now because it is at the top, again it will come down. So I'm not taking it, but we should have closed it when it came to that nearly $200 range. If we get a sell on silver, we can take one more shot. While gold comes into the profit, we can make profits with silver one more time. This time, right, first time it went, it touched the day trading cloud and it went up. Second time it came, touched the swing cloud, it went up. This time it will break the cloud and then it will come all the way to the midpoint. It's going down, gold also will go down. You should come minimum till the midpoint now. Right? Think like each one like a buy order block. So price went to the resistance, touched this buy order block, bounced back. Next time all the orders got filled. So it was able to break the swing cloud. But you have all the buy orders in the swing cloud. So that's why price it came here. Again the buy orders got filled, it went up. Now all the orders are over here. This time there are no more orders. So it will try to break it, come down.
Sugar,
Yeah.
since no one is not, no one is there, so I want to ask a personal question.
Yeah, still there are many more members. You are
I see.
not able to see.
I see. Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Mhm. You can ping me later.
Okay. Sure.
This time it will come all the way down. Gold also should move to profits. Without filling my limit orders, it is going down. It made a huge sometimes that is the advantage if you take market orders, your order is definitely will get filled. If you try to put the limit orders, you may save some money, but your order may not get filled. They're down this time. It broke the swing cloud. Gold also should break the swing cloud now. This time it also should try to break the swing cloud and come to the midpoint. So I shorted at 948.3 because for silver, without filling my orders, it went all the way down. Make sure if you are placing an order, make sure you cancel them. Right, any sell you get between these two is very good opportunity between the premium zone and the resistance. If you get a sell, you will make nice profits. Any buy you get between these two, that is very good opportunity. So anything in between you can ignore, but any buys at the bottom, any sells at the top, close to the resistance. It should be between the premium zone and the resistance. Buy should be between the discount zone and the support. GG also broke the cloud. G also should come all the way down. The sell would have given, yeah, we already took some profits here because it broke the swing cloud. It should come to the discount area. Platinum is making nice profits. Right, we shorted at 948.3. Now it is 947.6, which is nearly 40, 50, $70 with each contract. If it breaks this, then it should come all the way minimum till the midpoint. If it breaks the midpoint, it should come all the way to the discount zone. And again, all these are with the red signals. If it would have been orange signals, we would have made a lot more profits quickly. because these are red signals. They are giving some up and down. So every day during this time, metals will move. So yeah, either with long or short, you can make profits with copper, gold, silver, platinum. Yeah, we need to have just patience and just wait for the top zone or the bottom zone. So we made profits here. Copper is also making profits. Copper should make more profits. And gold also should make profits in some time. Right? It is just like you are gaming. Right? This is like your level one. You try to beat the level one, you will fail. You will go to the start again. You may beat the level one, you will fail in the level two. Again, you go back. Again, this time you will finish the level two. Now you are at the level three. If you finish this, you may come. You will make more profits here. And sometimes it will again. You will go back. And next time you will come all the way to the bottom. Again at the bottom. If you come to the bottom, because overall gold, all the metals are little bullish, that will be much more better offer. You will see in the green color. Price comes to this point. Yeah, I missed those. If the limit orders would have filled, then I would have made another $200-300 here. But that's okay. There will be many opportunities every day. Okay. Copper. Okay, it's showing a support, so I'll have to take profits here. Last time it went up from there, but this time it may go up. Or if gold breaks the cloud, it will make minimum 100 to $200 profit. And again, because we took the sell in the sell area, we were confident. Even if it goes a little bit up, it will come down. Yeah, most probably it should break the swing cloud. Last time it touched the day trading cloud, went up. Next time it broke the day trading cloud. Maybe if it does a bounce one more time, again it will try to come and break it. If it is becoming too late for you, you can just take a stop loss. Because overall we already made $300-400 plus with ES, silver, copper. If I take a stop loss here and then enter later, or because it may try to go up one more time and then and hold it for some more time. If I see a buy signal, I'll close it and again enter when I see a sell.
Sure, Gar.
Yeah, చెప్పండి. Hello.
Can you hear me, Andy?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, yeah, I can hear you అండి. చెప్పండి. Hello. Yeah, I took small profits. Again, it may make more profits, but yeah, we may have to stay for some more time because the swing cloud sometimes can act as a support, can take it up. If it breaks the swing cloud, it can come all the way down to here or maybe here. So only thing pending is the copper. Yeah, yeah, I took profits on copper also. So we closed all the trades. Maybe gold can make more, but already it is silver. Silver went all the way down. In next few candles, they will come to the bottom and then they are good for long. But again, right during this time, it will be slow. So in the morning time, I can make profits much quickly. Yeah. Meet with personal accounts, you don't have much tension. You can hold for more time. It made $200. Anyone has any questions? Yeah, good night, everyone. We'll again take more trades in the morning. And as I mentioned, tomorrow will be a very good day for crypto and healthcare stocks. We'll take once market opens. Yeah, good night, everyone. Talk to you in the morning.